A semicircular sheet of metal of diameter 28 centimeter. See this. This is semicircular sheet. Okay. Of diameter 28 centimeter is bent to form a open conical cup. Find the capacity of the cup and height of this cup. Okay, means cup made from this semicircular sheet. Okay, now first see this figure. Here this is semicircular sheet. Okay, whose diameter is given. Diameter is given, that is 28 centimeter. Now from this we find radius of this semicircular sheet. Therefore D means 2 times radius. Okay, therefore radius R is equal to, means we take 2 to the right side. Therefore 28 upon 2 means 14 centimeter. Did you get it? Now radius of this semicircular sheet is 14 centimeter. Now first we will find area of this semicircular sheet. Area of, I will write only here semicircle is equal to 1 upon 2 pi r square. Did you get it? Is equal to 1 upon 2. Keep pi as it is. Okay, keep pi as it is. What is r? R is radius 14. 2 sevens are. Did you get it? Don't multiply here. Keep as it is. Therefore, we write here area of semicircle is equal to 14 into 7 into pi. Did you get it? That is centimeter square. This is area of semicircle. Okay. Now this semicircle we convert into this way. Semicircle into conical cup. See this conical cup. And in this conical cup, see this. This is the radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle. What is radius of semicircle? 14 centimeter. This radius of semicircle is the slant height of this conical cup. Did you get it? See this. Therefore, we draw here figure of conical cup. Now, slant height means radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle is the slant height of conical cup. Did you get it? Then we draw perpendicular height. Here right angle. This is, we write here capital R because here small r, no? So we write here capital R radius and this height h. Did you get it? Then first we will find radius of this conical cup. Okay, then see. Now curved surface area of cone is equal to, see this, curved surface area of this cone is nothing but the area of semicircular sheet is equal to area of semicircle or semicircular sheet. Now curved surface area of cone is pi r L is equal to area of semicircular sheet or semicircle. What is 14 into 7 into pi. Did you get it? Now here pi cancelled. Now we don't know, sorry, capital R here, na? Capital R. Okay. Now here we don't know this capital R. We keep as it is. Slant height 14 is equal to 14 into 7. 14 cancelled. Therefore R is equal to 7 centimeter. Did you get it? Now we will find, see this, we will find this perpendicular height. Therefore h square is equal to r square. We write here h square says h square is equal to L square minus capital R square. No? Therefore means L square is equal to h square plus r square. We take plus r square to the right side because we know the value of r and L. H square is equal to what is L 14 bracket square minus 7 square is equal to 196 square of this minus 49. Therefore h square is equal to what is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 7 carry 1. 9 minus 5. Okay, 9 minus 5 and this 1. When we take square roots, see this, square root of h square is equal to square root of 147 means 49 into 3. Therefore square and square root cancel. Therefore h is equal to 7 root 3. Okay, centimeter. This is our first answer. Find height of this conical cup. Then last one, that is capacity of cup. Capacity of conical cup. This is conical cup, no? Capacity is equal to volume of that conical cup upon 1000 centimeter cube per liter. Did you get it? This is formula for capacity of that conical cup or any. When capacity of cuboid, cube, etc., then also formula same, volume of that particular article upon 1000 centimeter cube per liter. See this, volume of conical cup, this 1 upon 3 pi r square h upon 1000 Here directly we write liter because volume is in centimeter and here centimeter cube and this is also centimeter cube. So that is cancelled and this denominator liter goes to numerator. Did you get it? Therefore we put values. See here 1, see here this 1000 comes here 3 into 1000. What is R? R here 22 upon pi. Sorry, pi is equal to 22 upon 7. And R, capital R, 7 into 7 R square, no? And H, what is H? 7 root 3. Did you get it? Now here 7, 7 cancel. Therefore, see this carefully. 22 into 7, 154 into here 7 into root 3, 1.732 upon here 3 into 1000. Okay. If we want to divide here, then see this 3 5 is 15. Okay, 15 means 2 and 3. 17 minus 15, 2. 2 3 23. Okay, 3 7 is 21. 23 minus 21 means 2 again. 2 2 22. 7 and then 1 3 3 so wait here or stop here. Did you get it? Therefore product of all these here 7 4 7 4 28, then 2 7 5 35 and 2 37 means 3, carry 3, 7 1 7 and 3 10 into 0 point and here 3 decimal places, so we give here 3 decimal places into 0.577. Did you get it? Then product of this 2 we do here product. See here 1078 into 577. 7 8s are 7 on the 7. Then say 6 4 5 7 plus 5 8 is 5 7 is 35. 35 add 39. 5 0 and 5 1. Therefore, see this 6, then 10 0, carry 1 0, then carry 1 22. Okay, then carry 2 22, then carry 2 12, carry 1 6. How many decimal places? 6. No, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 means capacity of this conical cup, which is made from semicircular sheet, is 0.622006 liter.